Hey guys, it's Deirdre and welcome to my channel. Wanted to jump on here real quick and let you guys know that this is going to be a voiceover today because as I sat down to record this video, my neighbor decided to jump on his roof and start banging away on some home improvements. So this will be a voiceover and it will be a pretty quick video. I wanted to bust out the Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette because quite frankly it's been a while since I played with it, so that's the inspiration for today's video. So if you have this palette and you are interested in creating a look with it, then go ahead and keep watching and let's get started with the tutorial. Okay, so to start off, we are going to use the Urban Decay Primer Potion as our base, and the first color we're going in is the color Juvia, which is that dark burgundy red. And using an Morphe M507, I'm going to start by packing this color in all over the center of the lid and slowly blending it up and outwards. Next, we're going in with that color Walzana, which is that almost off black color. It's not quite as dark as the black. It's almost like a dark gray. And with the same brush, we are going to start packing that on to the outer corner. Now, you're going to want to build up slowly, adding light layers and slowly blending it out because dark colors can get overwhelming and they can blend out too far too quickly. So that's why we want to start off little and slow and build the color up in intensity as we blend along at the same time. This way we get a nice, smooth, seamless edge and it doesn't get too crazy. Alright, so next going in with the color Kana and a small fluffy brush, we are going to start adding this color to the inner third of the eye. And so basically this is what your eye should be looking at, or should be looking like at this point. Then we're going to take the color Zaz, and with a very fluffy brush and a light hand, I'm going to start applying this as my highlight, tapping it in, and I'm going to also use that to blend out the edges of the other colors. I'm going back in with that Juvia burgundy color. We're going to use it to smoke out the lower lash line. Going to add some black liner to the top and bottom waterline of my eyes. And then I'm going to go ahead and start adding some black liner to complete the look. I'm going to wing it out, make it kind of thick, add my mascara, and that's going to be it for the finished look. This is basically how it looks. I hope that you liked it. Sorry that this is a voiceover. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Hope you enjoy the video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.